Hey guys, my name's Chris. I was just gonna share about my surgery. So I had rotator cuff tear. So I had a full tear in my, I guess it was the top tendon. I can't remember if it was like supraspinatus or whatever. But I also had a partial tear in the front and back rotator cuff. And they went in and did a debridement on those tendons, and they put I think they put a couple anchors in, and they did like some synovectomy also, where I think they like suck fluid out. It was like inflamed. But so today is like I think 18 days post-op surgery, and I mean I haven't had like any pain. Um, I've been sleeping pretty good. Sleep on my back or sleep on my good shoulder. I'm trying to keep my arm propped up if I sleep on my shoulder. I mean, getting around and like doing things has been a challenge, especially getting dressed. Doing buttons and stuff like that. But I bought a device off Amazon. It's kind of helped. But overall, I mean, it's really, the pain's not been there. I'm still wearing my sling. You can see right here. I got this thing. Hello. Yeah, it's got a belt. I got a belt right here. But I mean, other than that, I've been being very careful to keep my sling on, even when I get out of the shower. Like I try to get it on immediately, because I tried to put my pants on one day with the belt, and I was feeding the belt, and just out of habit, my hand wanted to reach back and grab it, and unfortunately, I cut myself. Um, and then, I was like putting deodorant on. Like you have to lean over, let the arm hang, not use any muscles, and I was wiping the deodorant, and the deodorant went to fall, and my hand like naturally like went for it. So I've really been trying to put the sling on immediately. And I've really been, I mean, I've taken it off, to get in the shower, or maybe like take it out if I'm laying in the bed, for like 15 minutes. But I'm really trying to be careful and keep it in the sling, just because I don't want to do something awkward. But overall, no pain. So I have about 20, I think 22 more days. And I start PT in about 2 weeks. So I've really not been doing anything except extending my elbow, stretching that and not moving my shoulder. My doctor didn't want pendulum exercises. He said some doctors do, so that was just what I was told. My follow up went good. They took my stitches out, and so it's just like it's a really long time to be in a sling. But there was a reason I did the surgery, and I'm grateful I was able to have the surgery, and so hopefully I'll have a good result from this healing up. But I had pain down my arm. It was bothering me sleeping. Not every night, but like lifting weights, I could do like medium to, if I started going too high, it was like really, really bothering me. And I just thought, I've got the insurance, and who knows what's coming in this country. I thought I better get it done, while everything's still together. So, anyways, guys, that's all I got. I mean, I got like a few, pieces of tape on. They don't want me getting in the water. Excuse me, underwater. I can go in the shower and like let water run over it and bathe, but excuse me, they don't want me getting in a pool. So, yeah, I mean, other than that, I mean, I really haven't, been doing too much. Been walking, lifting weights at the gym with my good arm, like just doing curls and like leg press on the Nautilus machine. So I do intend to start swimming as soon as possible. Once the doctor gives me the okay to get my strength back, because I broke my arm really bad when I was 20, and I have a bunch of scars. You can see they had to like reconstruct my right arm. I got 3 plates in there, and I can't fully pronate my wrist. But that's how I got my strength back after that accident, was I got in the swimming pool. So I would highly encourage you to get in the swim pool and, if you're not a strong swimmer, just get a snorkel and mask and fins, and you won't have to worry about, can you breathe or not, going back and forth. So anyway, those are my tips, and that's like my update. I'm just giving this video. If people are looking for, is it bad or not bad? It was not a bad surgery. I've had like 13 other surgeries for orthopedics, and this was like, I think I was on pain medicine maybe 6 days. I don't even think I needed it like the 3 of those 6, but I just took it because I didn't want to like get it really, inflamed, and then I have to get back on the medicine. So, but overall, I mean, I think they might have like scraped some bone in there, but I don't really think so, because I had my other shoulder cleaned out with a bone spur, and that really hurt. I mean, that hurt for like a month. The doctor was like, yeah, it's gonna probably hurt for about a week. Well, it hurt for like a month. So, I don't think they scraped any bone. He said he went in and cleaned it out, and so I just gotta wait and do PT, and it's gonna be a long road, but I did it for a reason. So again, no pain. I just can't do anything. You just gotta keep the arm in the sling and try. They want you to keep your elbow back. Not have your hand in front of your body. But I'm getting closer to being done, so that's all I got. I just want to share that so you guys know kind of like what the recovery is like. But I mean, I'm not in any kind of pain. It's just gotta wear the sling or whatever. And overall surgery, they gave like a nerve block. Um, Anesthesiologist came in, signed his consent form. He told me what he was gonna do. They put some stuff in my IV. I woke up in the recovery room. Doctor said everything went really good. So I did it with Panorama Orthopedics, and I feel like I had really good care there. So that's all I got.